Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and a while back I shared with you a Tinkercad project where you can create your own wagon, cut it out on the Glowforge and put it together. This is the version I put together, my friends. Let's see what it looks like when it's assembled. Alright, so I'm going to use a little bit of tacky glue to hold it together. As I said, my straws are 6mm thick, so I'm going to cut these straws so they match about the width of the axle. And let's do the rest of this assembly in fast speed. So if you laser cut things right, those holes will all match up, and if you measured your cardboard correctly, they just slide in. I'm going to put a little dab of glue on each of these. Should have probably rubbed that with my finger, it would have been a little slicker, but it was my first time gluing one together, so I hadn't really thought all that through. You can see just a little dab of glue will do you, and those pieces all fit right in, and boom, there is the main part of our radio flyer. Now I'm going to glue in my little axle holes. Once again, they fit in just perfect because we had those all measured. Then, of course, we simply slide our straws through. And I think I mentioned to you earlier, I hot glued my wheels to the straws. This is the smartest way to glue them. Put the wheel on and glue the outside. I tried all these different ways, and that's the only one that didn't have a little glue that sometimes bumped those axle holders and make them not roll as well. So put the wheel on and then add the glue. That technique was poor. Alright friends, well there is tons of room to make it better, but as you can see those wheels are rolling. I still could add a pull so that we could pull the wagon. Lots of things we can do to make it more awesome, but as you can see we have got a laser cut radio flyer. Alright friends, so I'm really looking forward to seeing other people complete this project. If you make something awesome, please share it with us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter at HLModTech. You can also just comment under the videos and get in contact with us, or even visit our website at HLModTech.com and give us information about what you're doing, because I think this is going to be a really fun project. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.